welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a clean with me. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm going to be cleaning my bathroom and my bedroom. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see more of these, let me know because I clean almost every weekend. So yeah, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have all those linked down below in the description for you, and Callie wants to say hi. So that's it. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Alright, so it is time to move on to my room. I took a little bit of a break because cleaning the bathroom just made me really tired. So yeah, I've been hanging out, but now I'm ready to get back on it. I really just need to make my bed and kind of I don't know if you guys can see, tidy up that's all laundry that I'm not gonna do until maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I just need to make my bed, clean my bedside table, and wipe it down. My vanity, I don't know if you guys are able to see, but kind of clear that up. So let's go ahead and just get started with making my bed. I am officially done cleaning. So I want to give you guys like a after of what the bathroom and my room look like. So let's hop on over to the bathroom. I'm still doing laundry. I'm like washing towels right now. But now we're in the bathroom. Here is the after. We got our kitten's litter box. I went ahead and cleaned it as well because it was just like dirty. I try to get as much of the litter out, but it's like nearly impossible. Litter is always everywhere. But yeah, here's the top of the kitchen, no, the bathroom counter, toilet, you know, the usual. And then the shower is all nice and clean. We do need to replace this, so maybe that's something I'll do this week. I'm washing the like hand towels. There's like no towels here, but yeah, that's pretty much the bathroom situation. Floor is all nice and clean. Let me go ahead and show you guys now the room. Okay, so here is the room now. It's all picked up. I like dusted as much as I could. Cat tree is all good. The bed's made. My laundry, which I really need to do this week. My vanity is, for the most part, as clean as it can get. This is like my everyday makeup, so I just keep it here because it's just easy to access. And then my water that I was just drinking. Bedside table is nice and clean. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this cleaning video. I've never done anything like this, so I'm eager to see if you guys like it or not, because if you do, then I'll keep doing them because I literally clean every single weekend. So yeah, maybe next time I can do like my kitchen and my living room or something. So anyway, yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please be sure to subscribe, and then also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have 2 Instagrams actually. If you're a Disney fan like me, I have a Disney Instagram, and then I also just have like a personal one. They're both linked down below always. And yeah, that's it. So I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.